Hello, everyone. If you're in search of the finest CD audio player, you've come to the right place. We've conducted thorough research and testing to compile a list that caters to various buyer preferences. This video will assist you in determining which CD audio player is the perfect fit for your needs. You can find links to all the featured products in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Akai Mini CD Player. The incredible CD player of the future. It's not just any CD player, it's a game changer. Why, you ask? Well, let's break it down. It can play all kinds of CDs with strong compatibility and a reading speed that'll leave you amazed. And check this out, convenient charging, with a whopping 10 hours of battery life. You heard that right, no more worries about running out of juice while you're on the go. But here's the real game changer, support for binaural playback. Now, you and your friends can immerse yourselves in original high-quality music like never before. And that's not all. We've integrated a sleek digital display seamlessly into the body of the player. It's not just a gadget, it's a fashion statement. Say goodbye to clunky buttons. With our smart touch operation, controlling your music is easier than ever. Quick touches for quick tunes. It's all about enjoying the happiness brought by music. And for the tech-savvy among us, here's the specs. It boasts a powerful 1200 mAh polymer battery and a signal-to-noise ratio of 60 dB for crystal-clear sound. So, whether you're on a long journey or just chilling at home, this CD player is your perfect music companion. Don't compromise on your music experience. Elevate it with our CD player. Get ready for a musical journey like never before. Number 4. Lotorasia CD Player. Imagine never missing out on your favorite radio station again. With our dual-band radio FM automatic search platform, you have the power to listen to exactly what you want, whenever you want. But that's not all. We've also got a brand new smart CD player that will immerse you in the melody of music like never before. Whether you're at a concert or just chilling at home, this CD player delivers crystal-clear sound quality that's bound to leave you spellbound. And check this out, the press-type dust cover. With an integrated design that combines the dust cover and CD player, it's as easy as a gentle press to open up a world of musical possibilities. No more fussing around, just pure musical bliss. But wait, there's more. Our dual-band radio FM automatic search platform also makes it a breeze to listen to your favorite songs from a USB flash drive. It supports playback in CDM3 and WMA formats, giving you the freedom to enjoy your music anytime, anywhere. And here's the kicker, the double loudspeaker shock sound quality. With professional tuner tuning, you'll experience high-pitched transparency and bass so deep it's like a musical earthquake. Your ears won't believe the magic they're hearing. And last but not least, the cable boot design. Say goodbye to the hassle of searching for buttons. Just pull to boot up the system, and then pull again to shut it down. It's that simple. Number 3. Knob Sound CD Player. The ultimate hi-fi music experience that will transport you to a world of pure audio bliss. Say goodbye to complicated wires and limitations. This is music freedom like you've never imagined. Our hi-fi music system is designed to fit seamlessly into your life. Whether you're at home, in the office, or out and about, you can enjoy its incredible sound quality anywhere there's a power source. And speaking of sound quality, prepare to be amazed. Our system offers multiple playback modes to suit your every mood. Switch effortlessly between record mode, Bluetooth mode, headset mode, USB mode, and even MP3 playing mode. It's music on your terms, anytime, anywhere. Now, let's talk about the heart of this system, the built-in stereo speakers. Get ready for a shockingly immersive auditory feast. With professional cavity construction, the low frequencies are powerful, the high frequencies are crystal clear, and the 3D surround sound will make you feel like you're in a theater. And here's the cherry on top: long-distance control. Take command with the intelligent remote control. Easily switch between your favorite tracks, control playback, and even select your preferred songs all at your fingertips. But wait, there's more. Thanks to Bluetooth 5.0 technology, you'll enjoy superior audio quality and a lightning-fast connection. Say goodbye to interruptions and hello to seamless streaming with your favorite Bluetooth devices. Worried about performance and safety? Don't be. Our HIFI music system comes with an imported CD laser head and a professional chip to ensure rock-solid stability and reliability. Adjusting your music has never been easier. Simply turn the volume knob to set the perfect level, or press the button to pause and play your tracks. And if you're in the mood for Bluetooth mode, just press and hold for 3 seconds. Finally, let's talk about power. Our system boasts a large 2000 mAh battery, ensuring hours of uninterrupted music playback. No need to worry about running out of juice during your jam sessions. Number 2. Enthusiast CD Player. The JA310's stunning design and impeccable sound quality. Feast your eyes on this beauty. With its sleek and gorgeous design, this speaker not only complements your interior, but also offers a rich optical fiber high-fidelity sound experience. Sound quality matters, and the JA310 knows it. It delivers an unparalleled lossless music experience with optical fiber high-fidelity sound that will leave you in awe. Feel the calm bass, savor the clear treble, and immerse yourself in the delicate, real voice that caters to your diverse hearing preferences. This speaker ensures that everyone can hear music the way it was meant to be heard, pure and beautiful. But what makes the JA310 truly exceptional is the craftsmanship that goes into its structure and tuning. It's engineered with precision to recreate the magic of a live music scene in your own space. You can expect nothing less than lossless sound quality that lets you relish your favorite tunes and feel the heartbeat of your music. Now, let's talk about connectivity. The JA310 is all about options. Whether you prefer wireless or wired connections, it's got you covered. Not only does it support Bluetooth, but you can also connect via 3.5mm ear stud, USB Type-C, and SPDIF. Versatility at its best. And speaking of Bluetooth, the JA310 boasts Bluetooth 4.2 technology, ensuring compatibility with mainstream devices. With its built-in EDR transmitter, connecting to your devices wirelessly has never been easier. Say goodbye to the hassle of wires and hello to the freedom of wireless music enjoyment. Lastly, let's discuss the JA310's acoustic excellence. It's housed in a stable and thick wooden cabinet, measuring 12.7 mm in thickness. This wooden structure effectively minimizes undesirable resonance, giving you a more pure and breathtaking sound. Number 1. Shure CD Player. It's equipped with the latest EDA circuit design, ensuring high precision and top-notch production technology. This means you get a crystal-clear sound that's out of this world. Now, here's where things get really exciting. The Shure CD Player uses a professional pure CD laser head. It's not just any laser head. It's of the highest quality, providing a delicate sound pickup effect that's incredibly efficient. But we're not stopping there. We've incorporated a Japanese JRC amp, which ensures audio output stability like no other. The sound quality is simply outstanding, and guess what? You have independent high and bass adjustment options to fine-tune your music just the way you like it. Shure takes craftsmanship seriously. This CD player is not just about superior technology, it's also about aesthetics. It's more stable and thicker than your typical plastic CD player, reducing bad resonance and ensuring a warm and rich sound transmission. Ever wished adjusting the volume was simpler? Well, Shure heard you. With direct push digital volume adjustment, you can effortlessly fine-tune your music. It not only sounds amazing, but looks beautiful in your space too. And here's a game changer. The Shure CD Player packs a powerful 2000 mAh battery. Just 3 hours of charging gives you a whopping 6 hours of battery life. That's endless music at your fingertips. But wait, there's more. With the included infrared remote control, you can optimize your quality of life. Adjust your music without leaving your comfy spot. Listen to it when you want and enjoy high-quality music whenever the mood strikes. We're not done yet. The Shure CD Player can be easily connected via Bluetooth 5.2. Whether you want to link it to Bluetooth speakers or headphones, you can enjoy pure, unadulterated music. Plus, It has a built-in, ultra-low power processing circuit that automatically goes on standby after 3 minutes without a signal and shuts down after 15 minutes of inactivity.